Pine resin, the natural start of Dettol. Resin is collected and filled into drums. Long journey to the Dettol plant.
Clear on the right!
Materials consolidated at the hub. Drum scanned, load confirmed. Raw materials arrive at the factory. Resin enters the production line. Material transported to cleaning stage. Precursors move across the facility. All ingredients converge for processing. Transport complete, ready for transformation.
The Dettol factory awakens.
Workers enter the facility.
Goggles are clear?
Yeah, just wiping them now.
PPE preparation complete. Entering the production heart. Team moves to assigned stations. Overlooking the first transformation stage.
Shift begins at cleaning stage. Readings look good. Handover complete. Confirming. Starting the drum now.
Initial cleaning begins.
Impurities are separated. Sorting removes unwanted particles. Sedimentation clarifies the mixture. Final filtration for purity. Initial quality inspected. Cleaned material ready for transformation. Core ingredients enter the reactor. Intense mixing begins. Homogenization creates stable emulsion. Core mixture is discharged. Mixture is cooled and stabilized. Core base ready for final transformation. Base enters main formulation. Surfactants and fragrance added. Emulsification transforms the mixture.
pH balanced for stability.
Transformation complete. Liquid moves to precision finishing. Final stabilization before packaging. Automated precision filling. Glass bottles are automatically aligned. Precision filling of amber liquid. Labels applied precisely. Automated quality inspection. Cartons sealed securely. Automated pallet building. Automated quality check. Every bottle is inspected for fill level, cap, and label integrity. Perfect bottles proceed to shrink wrapping. Bottles bundled for market. Random samples collected for testing. Samples enter the quality lab. pH and chemical analysis. Microbial efficacy testing.
Physical stability verified.
Batch quality approved. Approved products enter storage. Safe storage in warehouse.
Scanning now.
Confirmed. Ready for dispatch.
Loading complete. Moving to bay. Order picked and dispatched.
Loading into distribution trucks. Products dispatched worldwide. And this is how modern factories produce Dettol from start to finish.